Hey everybody, in today's trade review video, I'm going to be talking about NBIS. I entered this long call on Friday and today is Monday. It's already up 121%, almost $1,800 as NBIS is up 15% today. I actually also started doing API alerts at Simpler Trading, so now I don't even have to come over and type in my order or anything else. This is our trading room. It's running right now. John's in there. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and close my alert, and my API alert is going to go out right here. So let's go ahead and close this. Taking profits on it, baby. I mean, you really can't say no to this kind of money, overnight. Yes, it could keep going higher for sure. There we go. And here we go. Here's my closing order that just went ahead and automatically got sent out to the trading room. So that was cool. You can see it right here in the chat. But basically in these videos, what I wanted to do is I just want to kind of go over why I got into the trade. If you've seen me on Charles Payne, you'll know that I've been talking about the stock for a long time, and one of my favorite spots to get into a trade is going to be before earnings. That's because, especially with these hot names, you generally see a lot of pre-earnings momentum. And if you're in our trading room, you'll know that I already got into some trades with NBIS the last time I was on Charles Payne down here, and we already rode this move. We took profits on it. It pulled back, it consolidated again, and it ripped again right before earnings, which is going to be on the 13th. So using this tool, basically what it helps me do is just helps me identify moments in time where I have a higher probability of making a directional bet, and that time is going to be either before or after earnings. So what you can see right here is this pre-earnings 21-day average on NBIS is demonstrating that this stock is up 16.64% in this time frame before earnings. That's huge. Sometimes I'll go a little bit before that time frame if I have a perfect pullback buy into like the 50 simple right now, or not right now, but right here. So this is basically just a gauge, but this is just telling you that in this name, historically over the last 8 quarters, we've seen these kind of huge moves. Now, of course, if you've been trading for any length of time, you'll know that last quarter we saw a lot of pullbacks happening right before earnings. And, a little bit the quarter before that as well, just because a lot of these names were so hot last year. But that's why I like to use the average in the stats, because what that shows is that even with the last 2 quarters being somewhat negative, especially last quarter, the overall average is still up. And so not only is it up on average 16% during the 21 bar time frame, but during the 8-day time frame, it's up on average 13%. So I went ahead and took my profits. Looks like we have a lot of positive comments in here from our members, which is pretty awesome. Definitely always like to share what I'm looking at and what's going on. I go on TV and I talk about kind of like the macro standpoint and the levels and everything else, but it's really in our trading room that I'm going through, looking at individual charts, posting the entries and exits, and talking about the targets. In this case, it's like I said at the beginning of the video, it's absolutely possible that this is up at 190, maybe 200 tomorrow, but it's also possible that it pulls back from here, and I just want to take the money and run. So that's what I'm doing. If you're scaling out, these are the next targets, 190 and then 225. And then keep in mind too that this was a short-term options position. This would not be, for me, a spot to sell long-term stock. It's really just a spot to get in and get out in the options market. So hope you have a great rest of your day. Hope you enjoyed this trade review, and I'll see you in the next video.
Hey traders, thanks for watching this video. If you want to make sure that you get all of our free trading content, make sure you hit subscribe, and also give us a like and comment down below. If you want to learn more about us, and if you want to join us for live trading in real markets with real money, make sure you go to simplertrading.com, where you can join us for more info. Thank you very much and have a great day.